Dust and lint are the enemy of every sewer. Even with standard cleaning tools, dust bunnies can build up in the depths of your machine. When a lint brush or cloth simply won't do the job, take your favorite tweezers and wrap some painter's or masking tape around the tips, sticky side out. Follow the instructions in your manual for machine maintenance. Usually this will involve removing the needle, presser foot, throat plate, and bobbin case to get into your machine. With your taped tweezers, reach into tight corners to collect stray lint and thread bits. You may need to replace the tape if your machine has a lot of buildup. When you're done, put your machine back together, making sure everything is in the right place. With this tip, your machine will be clean in every corner, allowing it to run better and longer.